Welcome all in economics class. In today's module, we will study about the supply function or the determinants of the supply, in which we will study about the factors or determinants which affect or influence the supply for a commodity. In this, we will study about the functional relationship between supply and other determinants. Supply of a commodity is affected by several factors. By this equation, we can express that several factors affect the supply of commodity X. So here you can see supply of commodity X is functionally related to Px. Px is the price of commodity X. Po is price of other goods, or we can say price of relative goods. Price of factors of production, Pf. Then state of technology, government policies. O is the objective of the firm. N is the number of firms in the market, and Fe is the future expectation of the firms. Although price of the commodity X itself is a main determinant for the supply for a commodity, but these all factors also affect the supply for a commodity in a market. First is Px. Px means own price of commodity. Own price of commodity is the main factor which influence the supply for a commodity. If price of a commodity increases, producer will sell more quantity and supply also increases. And if price of commodity decreases in the market, producer is ready to sell less units and supply for the commodity decreases. So there is the direct relation between price of the commodity and supply for the commodity. Second is the PO, or we can say it may be written like PR. PR भी आपको कुछ बुक्स में लिखा हुआ मिलेगा. It means other goods, price of other goods or price of relative goods. Price of other good also affect the supply for a commodity. We can take any example. If a producer is selling tea and coffee, both the products, and in the market the price of coffee increases, then producer is ready to sell more quantity of the coffee in the market, not of tea, because he only want to sell his more units of tea when price of tea become high. So it depends on the price of other good and price of, or we can say price of related good. So price of related good affect the supply. Next is the PF. PF is the price of factors of production. As you all know, by using various inputs, a producer produces the goods, and inputs like land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, all are working together and they produce the goods. So if price of inputs, or we can say price of factors of production increases, अगर price इनकी increase हो जाती है, then what happen? Cost of production also increases. मान लीजिए लेबर जो वर्क कर रहा था प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस में, कल तक वो 400 रुपीज़ पर डे के अकॉर्डिंग वर्क कर रहा था, और आज लेबर की रेट इंक्रीज होकर के 500 रुपीज़ पर डे हो जाती है, तो प्रोड्यूसर का क्या होगा? कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज, और कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन तो इंक्रीज हो गई, प्राइस में कोई चेंज नहीं आ रहा है, प्राइस रिमेन कांस्टेंट एट द एग्जिस्टिंग प्राइस, प्रोड्यूसर विल सप्लाई लेस. इस कंडीशन में जब फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन की प्राइस बढ़ जाती है, प्राइस ऑफ फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीजेज, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीजेज, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट प्रोड्यूसर सप्लाई लेस. And if price of factor of production decreases, then cost of production also decreases and producers supply more. So this is a very important factor. Price of factors of production, or we can say price of inputs, also affect the supply for a company. Fourth is the state of technology. This we represent by the capital T. If there is improvement in the technology, upgradation of the technology, then what happened? Technology जब improve हुई है, then cost of production will be reduced. And if cost of production of a firm reduce, then producer is ready to sell more units at the existing price and supply will increase. I think it is clear to you. Upgradation of technology, if there is upgradation of technology, cost of production will reduce and consequently supply will increase. And if technology is degraded, then cost of production for producer increases. producer का cost of production increase हो जाएगा, क्योंकि old technology के कारण या degradation होने के कारण उसकी cost of production increase हो रहा है, due to which producer will supply less quantity in the market. So the state of technology affect the supply of a commodity. Similarly, next is the GP. GP means government policies. Government policies of government की policies होती है, एक तो taxation की, government tax impose करती है, और government provide the subsidies. Subsidies means tax means गवर्नमेंट जब टैक्स इम्पोज करती है, और सब्सिडीज मीन्स फाइनेंशियल हेल्प करती है गवर्नमेंट, देन इट इज कॉल्ड द सब्सिडीज. सो it also affect the supply of a commodity. How it affects? If government imposes higher taxes on the producer पर अगर टैक्स ज़्यादा लग गया है, कमोडिटी टैक्स इंक्रीज हो गया है, देन व्हाट हैपन? प्रोड्यूसर का कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज हो जाएगा एंड ही विल सप्लाई लेस, सप्लाई में कमी कर देगा. एंड इफ टैक्स डिक्रीजेज, cost of production will also decreases and producer will supply more. टैक्स तो डिक्रीज बहुत रेयर केसेस में होता है. यहाँ पर हम ये ले सकते हैं, इफ गवर्नमेंट इज प्रोवाइडिंग मोर सब्सिडीज, अगर गवर्नमेंट ने अपनी सब्सिडीज इंक्रीज कर दी है तो प्रोड्यूसर को एक तरह का फाइनेंशियल हेल्प मिलने लगता है, और जब प्रोड्यूसर के पास में सब्सिडीज आने लगेगी तो उसका कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन क्या हो जाएगा? डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. और कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन जब डिक्रीज हो जाएगा, देन प्रोड्यूसर विल सप्लाई मोर इन द मार्केट एट द एग्जिस्टिंग प्राइस. सो गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज ऑफ टैक्सेशन एंड सब्सिडीज, taxation and subsidies also affect the supply of a commodity. Sixth is the OB. OB means objectives of a firm. फर्म का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, क्या सोच करके, क्या गोल है फर्म का, फर्म क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव लेकर के अपना प्रोडक्शन कर रही है. इफ फर्स्ट केस, इफ फर्म्स ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू अर्न हायर प्रॉफिट, अगर फर्म हायर प्रॉफिट अर्न करना चाहती है, देन द फर्म विल सेल मोर यूनिट्स, मोर क्वांटिटी एट हायर प्राइस. Clear? Now, second thing, if firm's aim is not earning more profit, but firm's aim is to capture the market. अगर फर्म का एम मार्केट को कैप्चर करना है, अपना शेयर इंक्रीज करना है मार्केट में, firm want to increase the share of its product in the market, or firm want to capture the market share, then firm will be ready to supply more at the existing price or at the lower price. It depends on the objective of the firm. firm क्या objective लेकर के प्रोडक्शन कर रही है, that factor affects the supply of a commodity. Seventh is the number of firms. Number of firms also affect the market supply of a commodity. If number of firms are more in the market, number of the firms producing a commodity are more in the market than quantity supplied, or we can say supply in the market also increases. And if the number of firms for producing a particular commodity is less, then supply also decreases. Similarly, the last one is the future expectation of the firm. Future expectation of the firm also affect the supply of a commodity. If firm's expectations are bullish expectations है, firm want to supply more and capture the market, then what he will do, he will supply more, supply will increase. And if bearish expectations are there, then firm will supply less. So these all are the determinants of the supply for a commodity in the market, and we have read about the supply function and determinants of the supply.